tucked in the heart of Anaheim, is a spot that's evolved into something more than just shops and restaurants. It's where energy, entertainment, and local flavor come together. I'm Jon Perez, your host for American Dream TV, and today we're taking you inside to experience what makes the Garden Walk unlike anywhere else. Let's go take a look. John, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. And thank you so much for having us. We really appreciate it.
No problem. Love to have you guys here.
Well, I'm super excited about the Garden Walk. So tell us about the Garden Walk and, the future of the Garden Walk.
Garden Walk is a life center, entertainment center, and just steps away from Anaheim Convention Center and Disneyland. So we're in the middle of all this excitement. So happy that we'll be able to cater to the locals and also all the tourists.
Yeah, you get the best of both worlds.
Yes, yes.
What do you guys see happening in the future for the Garden Walk? Do you have anything exciting coming up you want to share?
The way we want to build this place, we don't want to just build it like a regular shopping mall. We want to build something that people can come, they can treasure the moments, they can really bring their whole family, their loved ones, their kids for all occasions. We have a huge diversity here. Right. We have huge energy. We have the concerts, we have the restaurants, and we also want to bring arts, community, the authentic, genuine, local flavors. This is the artist Preston's gallery that we have here in Garden Walk.
Wow.
Yeah, so you can see all his artwork.
This is amazing. Well, he's one lucky artist that have the backing of Disney to do all this.
No.
And this is huge.
Yeah, he's very famous, so he travels around the world and to showcase his art pieces. And we're very happy and fortunate that he's part of our Garden Walk community.
You must be Paul.
Yeah, how you doing, man?
Good. Well, thank you so much for allowing us to be here. Well, tell me, how'd you even get started in all this?
Well, I've been into pop culture, all my life, and I'll show you a reason why I'm really into Star Wars, but this is all the Marvel section, the superhero section. I've read comics since I was 4 years old. If I kept all those comics, I'd be a billionaire right now. Because I did read the first editions of a lot of comics.
Wow. Hey, you must be Emily.
I'm Emily, you're John.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, John.
Well, nice to meet you. Thank you so much for having us.
Of course.
Well, tell us a little bit about this, flight deck rogue racing.
Flight Deck Rogue Racing is a place where you can come for unique experiences like car racing in a Formula One car, flying in a fighter jet, dogfighting up against your friends for the top score, to be Top Gun, and you can fly in a Boeing 737 simulator, which is like day in the life of an airline pilot.
Oh, can we go take a look at that?
Let's take a look.
Oh, awesome. Let's go.
Ready?
All right, here we go. So who's the best at, the fighter jets?
So a couple of our workers here are big DCS nerds. Digital Combat Simulator is the software that we use for our fighter jets. They know the ins and outs of it. I wouldn't stand a chance up against them.
I know I wouldn't, that's for sure. This place is amazing. Whether it's jet simulators, local art, or one-of-a-kind experiences, there's always something new at the Garden Walk. I'm Jon Perez, your guide to the best of Orange County. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time on American Dream TV.